Èmi ọmọ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, Tóyìn Adégbọlá, the one and only international aṣẹ́wó, running NAFDAC number all over the world, international one. Another one is a counterfeit. Mo ń fi àsìkò yìí rọ̀ yín, ike kí n máa wo ètò Bisi Ologe Show. Àtọkùnrin, àtobìnrin, obìnrin olóríire, Bisi alálùbáríkà, ẹ̀yin bàbá tẹ́ ní ìyàwó tó dáa nílé, tẹ́ ẹ wo mi lọ́kọ́ mo ti ṣoge láti òkè délẹ̀ ni. Mo ṣoge yẹn láti òkè délẹ̀ ni. Ṣé ẹ ti rí sá? Ẹ máa wo Bisi Ologe Show.
Mr. President, thank you very, very, very much for coming. Let's give the President a Lagos welcome. Take your car and wave your car. Wave your car. Wave your car. Wave your car. Lagos, wave your car. Wave, wave, wave. Thank you, Mr. President. Through you, to acknowledge the chairman of our party, and after our chairman, to say to the city boy and his vice president, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Senator Shetima, Owaida, 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 Owaida. City boy, you're welcome. Thank you. Let me acknowledge all of the dignitaries, my brother governors, our senior and former governors, all of you that are here. Lagos is here. Surulere, where are you? Mushin, where are you? Oshodi, where are you? Ikeja, Agege, Sobo, Fuji, Alibo Asha. Center of excellence will continue to be the state of aquatic splendor, the mouthpiece of our country, the centerpiece, the rally point of our country. And you have not disappointed us today. From every rally of the state, you have come out to show that indeed the city boy is a lover of Nigeria, is a lover of Lagos, and you have demonstrated it here today. So on Saturday, Kilamache, Amadibo, Amakoko Kano, Tabadibo Ton, Awaka, Awaripe, Atiwole. Thank you very, very much. Thank you for your patience. I want to acknowledge everyone for coming out here in large number. Mr. President, thank you very much. Lagos loves you. We love what you are doing. Asiwaju, you can see your city is here for you. You can see that Lagos is ready for you. Shetima, you can see that Lagos is ready for you. Thank you all very much. And we will hope that at the end of this, we will carry the day together. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Excellency. Now, after a long and hard campaign, and this is our grand finale, and God has been faithful, very faithful. We thank you. We all have been here since morning. We are still waiting, and despite the people here, whether you have food or drink, we want to thank you. We want to thank you, and you can always count on us. We have been consistent for the past 23 years, and it's not going to stop. A leader is not called because he sees the opportunity for power. Asiwaju is running because he sees a need for the coming generation. We have to make Nigeria comfortable for you. And we promise to do that. We will work for the people. We will work for the poor. You can count on my husband. I can tell you that. It will not derail. Let me tell you, if you have an age to do that, you can count on me that I will get it back to you. I promise you that, but I believe by the grace of God, He will not disappoint you. God bless you. You have been with us for many years and never ever take it for granted. Vote Tinubu Deliever and vote for the future, the greater Nigeria. Vote for Sanwo-Olu. Vote for all our candidates across Nigeria. We are in Lagos, APC all the way. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
APC with our beautiful women, hardworking, energetic.
Aṣíwájú ọ̀sẹ̀ gómìnà ó ṣe yára. Tinubu ṣe máa lè jòkó ó ṣe yára. Tinubu ṣe máa lè jòkó ó ṣe yára. Àsìkò mi tó ká sẹ̀sán mu. Àsìkò mi tó ká sẹ̀sán mu.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.